as a channel of Google.
I said, "Me, I come and
that be near Okano say, who are ballet into and yes, when you want, but near Okano say, Womba Hano. I know the hopes in Ebaha. What number you ready? I feel the one who say hopes in on any papa.
So, lawyer Thursday, and on them Thursday, Nako baby.
Yeah, gentleman's agreement.
Say agreement number Tuesday. But so now, corner being show. All right. And share security services I know president can't say were increasing numbers, you know. But maybe can be said better the same way. Also, will be our comment on it. Honorable Meshadano Memisa because we will be comment on it. Ken Ofori Atta issue, no. And so low back can be a new boom. I think say your mom making it clear. Say Ken Ofori Atta file for permanent residency in US in Tinyadi or Peswoba. In himself tradition, of course, but as to say extradition, you bet me and so was our filing now all years to see no for that one. You and I and became Bawumia Bessie. You and I were not there. It's yet to me, but first and now quite oh Yare Obeba, oh Yaro Obeba say dear. You're making it clear and the lawyer say Frank Davis say or more file for permanent stay over US. Said you when you are Breno, now say maybe I will take on it. I think 3 days ago, nearby.
I'm still waiting. Yeah, more Kasoku. Na Gyamfi Bible go for visit in who video and Becca chose Ken Ofori Atta and Yadia Oba. Na Adam could add that really of the America or any of the process for the better. That are metis and make up and especially from Davis. Yeah. Who got a super say, oh, no, Nyansa say, will be out. They say, I don't know, friend. Because I own integrity before me.
Okay.
I don't know the big name catches the Ken Ofori Atta, so so about my mother, and that video catches up a permanent residence.
Yeah.
And the ambassador was in woman for title, a Kuma, young business meeting of war, lawyer this, professor this, engineer this, and Azankwa. We did the attitude. You had the title, the count, but don't be said, or move your wagon. Ken Ofori Atta is the reason why can issue and yes, separable from unemployment as some year. Maburu Dachina, Yavian Yano, Sassy come yes, so man make you Sassy can or one more, and can Maburi do 1 a day. And
there is a unification and Kayas.
Yes. Now, the Baba, yes, I do, we are finance minister. What do you, what could tell you? Yes, almost 7 years.
Yeah, 7.5.
Yes, the boom work on time. Now, the impunity of America said, maybe a member. Oh, Ghana for part of the brand. Yeah, 5 6 years, Omragano. Or say, member. A dear, the woman, she also woman. So, Assembly, yeah, can I credit also man. Blue, dear, no get, you know, I am credit also man. National Cathedral, and credit also man. 52 billion na yire free tax account no mu a e wo GCB no e ye no krasa empowerment na yire ntira so ma na o ma no sebi nyameto no sa friend everybody beba me makase se o yes o makuma bio ye nyina ibe wu nyameto no sa friend na se me metiase a I will sue the body
that be yeah my number
Emma. Of course.
Emba. My join.
What you say?
The funeral will not be performing.
Of course. Because you also only got any behavior. Why you back one way? Young friends, some phone call. Now, young friends, some pagodo. And to be there, me and Yammy one or said in your master, and who said, a yard, why not just obey it?
Ken Ofori Atta ye to me, you know. So who are young, you know?
Since I didn't Ghana Simbia, you need Ghana Simbia, already on America, then John Africa. ye chenkwa mu kwa de na ye mu ye na Kristo ti ase de enchenche wona fe but eno kire timu panko for the public service na say de otchere ya we mu hyew
asem
se Kwabena de that to be F4J invoice
recycling
na engineers no down ho na omne ngofo akika bumwa de bia obe calculate figures wo ye hard work wo de nkoso o smart work hey move ya smart oh anuti na emma omani nyede enkore security service any Ken Ofori Atta the same thing the mevunu opportunities no mpe me ka se aban man bi abeti sa aban fa dipa no bi o man nyini if you offer a budget that ho 90% ye di tia wages in interest rate na ka 10% we dey bi am video su go for Kwabena ana ye kwanye yesu kunye bi kwa 10% pe 10% dey na arbe that is aban aduma no nye option ankrankra aduma die no ene option once again anuti na me abrada me wan pipi no me ne Ken Ofori Atta ni oro Akufo Addo emu kun ye say I did not support the idea say begu Ghana banks answer na ankrankra aduma die betu akoso no just a banks no boa that it was very beautiful business proposal now ya time the call bank ye be call bank anana anya Nigeria for eye enyinesi omuno banks they want a national security threat omuwa to support the interests of their countries kemu a obeti keep tole na Ghana for ne Nigeria for ne ko adaya Nigeria for ne job shops onye say no banks ne twen we shi omko loans no mom oh bank we go commercial bank ko wa fe ne se ya ka nyina akọ two banks NIB ni ADB ni nyina they are comatose na say no mo koma NIB ska afi no mo ye dey FF ADB is comatose and the bank bena seven interest as a Ghanaian it's as a people na ba no smart to go for free say they are more smart omo hia boja sika kakra ye de be so masene no no a we wie school wo de e bia ni bibi and you bia the person ya ba adwuma
and idea.
What you say? You want person here? Omo. Ana you want muso person ko private sector. Ana you want muso person mo ayo mo nyuma. Tani ye chichiro man. And at the time I met 500,000 applications akolo. Now say say dey mo twamfoni a kire. E bia ye dey no na da nkwa. O resource ya gba kire. Unemployment. And until yes, a good so be increase. But if you say about Benima and in private sector, a quanya or Befasua, you see, what the policy rate now be doing 11.47 as a 7.4. It's a good thing. We are the percent, but to as low as 1%. It took up bank normally or more margins cracked to soar. A cost of party be at 5%. Then you are getting closer. Togoha, our policy rate is 5%. Oko Burkina 5%, Cote d'Ivoire 5%. Yeah, dear. First finance 27.7%. Ngansa benu. And the buyer die and you are competing. Yeah, we are a mebunu Dutch because a branch na Ababawa for instance. I actually about 26 years ago, or first born. I'm going to get 40 years after a bend Nana will be in a market and Yinibi. Yina, tortures. Etiako and Betesa, financial recycle, so person the palm plantations in the bank. And it's very important. Malaysia, we have about 20 billion. If I bet you dream. Yes, you dream. Would a year in your crowd, you ain't 5 billion. Cocoa every year made 2 billion. Cocoa, you did not say. It is a 5 billion. Near one a day. Yeah, Macassan Kukonketing, it is a good policy. So, man, find your politics. Now, I got your call, you know, you have branch executive, never yet in Madia Kwaku more or more. Not some more more than 4 more. I want to pass it, but you a Benyan Kokona. Who assume for so because it go import about $400 million worth of poultry. And go for area and into Bell, Yanavian, Yadian, Quayadia, Moke, diabetes, your friends, hypertension, and go for area. No, must also the sausage, giz. I am
wo
na yai wo de wa to fie wo vi man twa bia ya chi akokɔ ne fa ne to ni bosomi miensa akokɔ ye nyini enti die pa na ehu ho a ye ntumi ye ye akokɔ ni yesu a veterinary for no benya adwuma ye
yeah
because o expand economy
yeah
die pa na kyere so ntia ye ne ma akɔ Burkina akɔ fa tomatoes eba krobo abra akomada ho zebila ho ye wo baby bebiri a wo bia tomato se be ye okroma obi nkonvince me
ti obodom wanchi
ti obodom ye eni nti say ye ma no koko import close to $100 million tomato every year ye yes kana enta wo de ye half no ye ma half kra ne ye no wa eti your template ni nyina ho na mom ye ba kasa de e de se
adwuma
no wo se ye say Kumano, ye beye. Me, I don't believe after 33 years, ye said, me, try to see you. And I get about last night, person to me, but they say, one also about Johnny Bandwago say, maybe school, and the America is America, me call you Kwaku bread, I dear member Sebastian. Well, there's a reason why I to your way to assassination. Yeah. As I saw in Kadia, Kenyamia Diabro. One my precursor said the last time they kai. Time what 2000 coming on obi abon pa ye pese nya oil nya me de dum ye sen ka makra je oye ba ye wo de ka eson fa so pa wo de wo su wanya ka bi kire me
asem
enti ye need to form ye kase ye what is right your population only 34 million enti one more asose o se ye adwuma no omo muru 18 million Omomro ade bi ye adwuma dada enti dodo say na China for to be more nkofo adwuma omo ye in excess of 1 billion dey ye near 34 million 18 na pay ye timi help aye obi bia bi obi eye krono ene dey reflect ewo your friend say auditor general and especially say say okwabna ne say okwakoto 34,000 metric tons of rice Wajungu shikawo anaso wa prepare bill na wakwakoto 24,000 pe 10,000 no wa balance so mo ko fa ebro 100,000 metric tons no ma hwenya me nim no mo de o ma ko 11,900 pe ya ka no mo ko jiskara ide ashoboto ni ama transport company minimum transport company kra ono ne no mbo dey say say ono no wa charge about 115 million adwuma wa ye no eye only 30 million na aban ayemuye wa MPP aban mu tin ya masa aso na 50 million ene ni aja ye dili wuto na we wo kan wa kan say ba now wo mu an gekwe sa di ye run o mu nyina apa nya ne fere no ya ban mu to ye de pa so ma ba mu to ye de mo na mo aban mu se Adia na kwa kodu bebi anke kwa kotuaka. It means say yenim company ye chase yenim director sa yenim wo so assign the district, the municipal, the metropolitan assembly as engineers say where you go to investigation be na wo you.
Yes, that okay.
Na mu da okay. But after obi be ka profile
investigation underway.
And then the plans are far advanced. Yeah, meanwhile, it was a obi a punish obi for this. And now, I came more a Flauba town.
Sure.
And the cost of one a mark one, any mom. Security, I will go on login. And so about that, be a boa. Obia mowa sanjuma we na ma krono nti bo se meburu no on ka system no ho e ma na nya wo dasa wo ka system no ho because the child you may not be part of the system and then bia aka ho a wo enjoy bi o to visit eno ano no but e kire na wo ka system no ho no obo se e kombe dew eti ye mo na system no enye ye me nyina se de be ya ye nyina be nya equal opportunity eno na be de me fi se meka eti abai enyere no pa o ma nani nko se ne be ya ankrankra dwumadie no ebetumi ade edimu se emebulu ye ko ye se anya database ti interior ministry betumi ma ye data betumi obi background kwa na no because employment ministry many times our problem is almost that database et when you free data ye betumi ahwe data no Ghana Enterprise Agency
yawo wayi yawo ba ku kai national youth authority ni ade o ti ase na afi watena ase obi a background die de betumi dia ya mo wo se binum ehia skill development ya ne e ka as a united party so we secondary school e this year russell do ko university e go say 1 year na answer be ko university wo be di afi ba ku ofie na wo die suansa no dwuma anya carpentry welding ebia IT bibia etire boni yi ansa na o ka ka so ko university na polytechnic no na wan ka so o hwe so o pese ko na so rush from secondary school to university acquire political science and there na be Russia ugo sia Russia no ye ho adwuma we ke Swahili
Swahili grofo sia
you see ye twemu Satetina yese ye nyina ye ka bi kire ye nwuse na emunyon suade ko university wi abenya duma papa ene ene ye nyina ko gumu yo wo mo a etumi nya plansa esua sa mechanics ni ayi de bia sikampa obie ni wo sua duma nsado duma ekomade ne da that's what they don't tell you eto de bia na wotwe wie ye bi wo pe carpenter pa so be ye duma wo brabre painter se wo krum adodo na frito wo
the same unim set to go for project construction site afa
na omo na ye duma say ye ni esua grammar no mo sua
no duma kwa Messi ni liberal work nyina omo na ye
ntia no sa no government policy because se obi ko secondary school na se ye pandesho ade de pandesho ya do a ebe na ma agrika ayakono se ofa agric market bi ala sabre bi de chiri na adwa so ma se da ma atade a atete se munu akwa
omo fa mento
na na se yokuye ni
kama ya de be tuo na kembia inspire ni pa ya ko fa brewa bi mi wa kwasi broni no o ye de dia no amana ya kono and we are someone need sa eniema we do see start it to be a change the mindset no ya ba yes be musa opportunity kwa na ho awodi
onim that's the first thing
onim your dan say markers application no atro ba say ono no aban uri say aban kan budget a opportunity offer budget na wo be pie hu ba bia eniema aban be so yira no prepare ho dia kwa kwaje but nipa do say ye training your mindset and also your education no another focus also yes how you tune the mind from the grammar education to the practical education no very very important the same if you say you any problem so 80 million e bia oh more is the easiest thing I'll be a bit when you are there here to Chroma company different Santander here omoba call center kwa ye Ghana for a receive course or abrochini e mark other companies o start say who training for how to receive course in here and nko abenya sources here because British telecommunication or mono call center or India na so what India for bro for that I don't know nobody here said it Ghana for the bro for the down to fi say ye no ma ye ni assign the appropriate or necessary agreements ye to me friend the opportunities no man the right people man patriotic citizens and she positions no munka so mu ye dwanye ye ncheni for Akufo Addo ni abanse o be chedi to ka ene o hwo mo so bokra no mama politics aye time mesra wo wa ba mu se so wa general so follow the footsteps of Akufo Addo abem for dia ye ne be charge mo me try the first auditor general's report entra me aban we menka auditor general's report be chere expenditure why me tell me what about na busuo nka na mra na mbodi esiga na me be dua to so be esiga tabi tisana be dibesie
all right Bernard yenhwe gold board issue here that way and I think and so the abetom ye daman say daman gold mine say abeto hona engineers and planners is taking over NCBida and me be anke for China for more.
Yeah, I think that the recruitment issue is important to me. Just give me one further minute.
No problem.
Na menfa enka. I think that near air cost na otchere we have to reorder our educational system. And can we call JSS? JSS, not JHS.
Not JHS.
In 1987-88. Now JHS, JSS na yakoya no. We learn carpentry.
Yeah, technical skills.
Yeah, we learn carpentry. And yeah, by the time I made me JSS, I could construct a table, a chair. And my own bed. The first bed I slept on without a mattress. Yeah. Me ankasa na me call construction site and I'm a fifa. Yeah. And so say, oh yeah, contractor now who leftover wusa. I come and pick them. By the next Sankana market day, I had series of stools I took to the market and I was selling. That informed Jerry Rollins to do the JSS. That was the Achampon experimental JSS. Yeah. Now the JSS now they are not stocked.
No. To be able,
they are not stocked to be able to do Nientia Omode that mass change, at the buyer. Why? We don't know the purpose. Yes, you see, dying any new man. Yeah, tiling. Say, open the quality tiles. Say, Nipa no fi Benin or fi Togo.
Yeah.
The bulk of them, Oboba Monte Ukrum Kasa, Uchiro Mejumana, they will do the job. Your friend is saying POP, any new man, they do it. And they don't care. Baby, they will go and stay there and stay there and do the work. But yeah, no, we don't even understand. All of us want to dress nicely to say honorable. Good. And honorable, they want shirt tie. But if you know my shirt tie, now they look big. I think that is even part of the problem.
It is. What kind of job?
I think it's part of the problem. Because everybody wants to wear a suit. The last time somebody came and posted, Oswald Ali came and posted that he's seen a picture of me wearing suit, and he's surprised because nobody sees me wearing suit. And yes, may share and fatality. The last time I wore one was in Germany. And the next time was when I was forced to go and be best man. You understand? Because I may share, but I was forced to wear it. Those are the two occasions I remember wearing. But you see, everybody think that no, in order to look big you must wear these things. I think that we have to reorder. Like I said, President Jomama, I'll write.
You're right.
I'll write. One, if the system tells us that 105,000 people qualified. Yeah. Why are we extending it only to 40,000 people?
Means that there is still a deficit.
40,000 out of 105,000 is not a pass mark. Yeah. Number two, why did they have to pay 220 Ghana cedis to buy a form that over 500,000 people buy a bot? Your calculation may say it is 110 million Ghana cedis.
110 million.
Why must you go and pay for medicals?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
You have, I mean, that card should say that you are qualified to go through your medicals free of charge.
Yeah. Unless you don't have.
Exactly.
So, I think that President, the people around you are not telling you truth. There is a lot of hardship in town. You are doing well, but if you don't open your eyes to, these are basic things that we can correct without imposing challenges on many families and many poor homes. Now, yeah, gold board.
I don't know, sorry.
I don't know what to know.
Solomon Crawford.
Mahamadu Crawford.
The NPP. Crawford.
UP, United Party.
But look at the way you people manage this country. Sure. I didn't know. Say, as we speak, when we say Ghana government, you need gold mines here.
We don't have. We don't have.
Whilst the PNDC sold some, we still had about 50% shares in Asante Gold. A very good gentleman, Sam Jonah, under some dubious circumstances, was made to sell all the shares of Ashanti Goldfields to Anglo Gold Ashanti. And then they knighted him. Say, into Faswabia Ghana, and no say, they say, I'm military need.
Say something. Say no. Say something. No. That's also him.
No, naturally say you did good for the queen.
Yes, that's also no.
Until they have to say you. Until Faswabia as a nation. They are taking every ounce of gold. They see Ghana doesn't have any gold. Then the government decided, no, let's find a clever way. Because, see, the UAE got profit from gold for 20 billion in 2003.
Yeah.
And the government of Ghana got 2 billion. Meanwhile, the gold that the UAE got that money from came from Ghana. Came from Ghana. And the government decided that, look, we will not allow our gold to be going anyhow. So let's form a gold board. Every gold produced in this country will pass through the gold board. We will be able to track royalties ni aje, taxes ni aje, na abayin atong, na yanyasika. Until the precious minerals, marketing company, na ewo tema, the old passport office, just by the Tema
Diamond House.
Na ohona ewo. And then because of the establishment of the gold board, no one who says, you know, it's not fit for purpose.
For security,
somehow, Bank of Ghana, SUFI or more old building, no, at the brand new building. Near Ken Ofori Atta any Addison, Omokosi at a exorbitant price.
What is here? I say $400 million here, boy.
So that is where they put the thing. Inti gold board say, oh, any Bank of Ghana no, it's a better fortified area. Inti Yankofa ho. Na omakoto, you're from saying swivel chairs. Almost say 2,000, 4,000.
It be a 2,200. It be a 4,200.
And I know na Adane. In some case, Emma Uncrofono. Your people. Parliament now, Motino. The chairs they change. How much did it cost?
Yeah.
Parliament now, Motia, Mokasa, big no. Didn't they change Parliament? Honorable, how much did it cost?
Yeah.
Oh, sometimes I sit down and I'm like, these people still have the temerity.
And they have, you know, they have, you know. And how they have, you know.
I know, yeah. Say, the people have refused to hand over, according to him. Send your mama one, you know they have handed over. That means I'm handing over the affairs of this nation. Who should hand over? Is it not Minister for Finance?
Yeah.
The Minister of Finance is in the ice.
We're done.
So who will do the handing over of the assets of this country? So you have refused to hand over. You are telling us that the person to do proper handing over. Then Yakota Akunya. Oh, now Omoka means say, Udim Sakunyano, near a massage, no, maybe
Oh, there be a massage you.
Because massage, they are no 27,000. The lowest is 17,000.
David, where no mass chair.
And I'm more cancer, Bebre say. So Sammy should walk to the Bank of Ghana New Enclave and go and sit on
the floor.
On the floor.
On what platform?
Now on ye Juma, Emma or mine.
Now for a moment, so I'm powerful.
Two things. Damai gold mines, no. Did the state go to force the people to say they want to sell it?
No. Omo say omo nye biem.
Omo lease are expired.
Omo lease are expired. So they say they won't do again.
Yeah. And then somebody, Ibrahim, through engineers and planners said, no, we want to go and do it. Yeah. And also my uncle yet. Because ono the of Iran, of Afghanistan, and our Cosmokaya. In this country, Ibrahim got in mines. Minister for Energy. Your friend saying, oh, Papa, you hoy for my name.
Peter Amewu.
Jean-Pierre Amewu. Or no, ever can say Ibrahim has followed all the due process and on my mano certification. So, on Koyo Nejuma. Okay, sir, we are na Akufo Addo friend. Because when the catcher say you should come and testify that Ibrahim has gone through all the motions. Yes, a culture license, no man, you are telling us that the man has got valid information. So the man went back and invalidated. Nia ono ankasa as minister, oka say, sa na na no. They forced Peter Amewu to go and invalidate it. And no more G mines, no, if you buy Mahamadu. That is how they forced to get Ibrahim Mahama, your friends, engineers and planners, out of Nina. When he had got everything and had even started moving to site. This one, people lease expire. The people say we are not interested in continuing. Now Ibrahim Mahama say, you say no, Ibrahim should not take it because of no the onye Ghana. And now Nibra a president in business now or you know onjai the businesses because my brother is president. Now ni brother no. So Ibrahim should not be working because when his brother was not president, was he not working? Didn't he have a jet? He had a jet before his brother became even vice president for the first time. Or any businesses. Not to see any brother president. Most say no, he's not allowed to do business in Ghana. So what you are suggesting is that we should calculate how much Ibrahim used to earn. Then we'll be paying him so that he will not be doing any work.
Can we pay?
That is the sense that my brothers, Solomon, your people, that is what they want to tell us. Oh, yeah.
Honorable.
Yeah. Then I say, so ready, they say, when you hold.
Tolo molded them too. Tolo molded them.
He molded them. Ow.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.